White flamingos suddenly change direction together. Watch this flock. They stop and the group becomes tighter. Many birds look left and right, and others copy them. More birds turn, then the whole flock moves. Now they are all moving in the same direction. Flamingos don't need a leader. Each bird copies the movement of the bird next to it. That's why the whole flocks change direction together. Amazing, isn't it?